The Mercedes SL-Class R230, produced from 2001 to 2011, is a marvel of engineering. Certain areas demand attention as the miles accumulate. Here's a breakdown of common issues: roof and hydraulics, ABC, active body control, suspension. This complex hydraulic system can develop leaks in its struts, lines, pump, or accumulators, leading to uneven ride height, warning messages, and a harsh ride. Convertible top malfunctions. The intricate retractable hardtop can suffer from sensor failures, hydraulic leaks, or issues with the roof's sealing mechanism, preventing proper operation. Engine and drivetrain, M113, engine SL500. While generally reliable, this V8 engine can experience oil leaks from the valve cover gaskets, camshaft magnets, and oil cooler seals. 722.9 transmission, 7G-tronic. This 7-speed automatic transmission can exhibit conductor plate issues, leading to erratic, shifting, or limp mode. Fluid leaks and valve body wear are also concerns. Electrical and electronics, battery drain. A faulty rear signal acquisition module or other electrical components can drain the battery, leaving you stranded. Sensor failures. Various sensors, including those for the active body control system, crankshaft position, and oxygen sensors, can fail, triggering warning lights and affecting performance. Command system glitches. The command infotainment system can experience software glitches, display malfunctions, or complete failures. R230, body and interior. Rust. Pay close attention to the wheel arches, underbody, and jack points for signs of rust, especially in models exposed to harsh climates. Water leaks. Leaks can occur through the convertible top seals, trunk seals, or the third brake light, potentially damaging the interior and electronics. Mercedes SL DIY maintenance procedures. Proactive maintenance is essential to keep your R230 running at its best. Here's a comprehensive guide. Essential maintenance. Engine oil and filter. Use high-quality synthetic oil and replace it every 7,500 to 10,000 miles, or as recommended by Mercedes-Benz. Transmission service. Change the transmission fluid and filter every 60,000 miles to ensure smooth shifting and prevent premature wear. Brake fluid flush. Flush the brake fluid every 2 years to maintain optimal braking performance. ABC system inspection. Regularly inspect the ABC system for leaks and check the fluid level and condition. Convertible top maintenance. Lubricate the roof seals and mechanisms regularly to prevent premature wear and ensure smooth operation. Mercedes SL High Mileage DIY recommendations. Active body control system. Overhaul. Consider proactively addressing potential ABC issues by replacing aging components like the pump, accumulators, and struts. Transmission conductor plate replacement. If experiencing shifting problems, replacing the conductor plate can prevent more serious transmission damage. Rust prevention and repair. Address any signs of rust promptly to prevent further corrosion and structural damage. Battery replacement. Replace the battery every 3 to 5 years to avoid unexpected starting issues. R230. DIY maintenance. Engine oil and filter change. Changing the oil and filter is a straightforward task that can save you money and give you a sense of accomplishment. Brake fluid. Flush. With the right tools and knowledge, you can flush the brake fluid yourself. Battery replacement. Replacing the battery is relatively simple and can be done with basic tools. Convertible top seal lubrication. Regularly cleaning and lubricating the roof seals can prevent leaks and ensure smooth operation. The Mercedes-Benz R230 SL-Class is a captivating roadster that offers a unique blend of performance, luxury, and style. By understanding its common issues and adhering to a diligent maintenance schedule, you can ensure your high-mileage R230 continues to provide exhilarating driving experiences for years to come. Upgrade your classic Mercedes car radio with Bluetooth. The Gizmo Guy gadget seamlessly integrates with your factory fiber optic command system, allowing you to stream music and make hands-free calls in crystal-clear CD quality. It's easy to install. Just plug and play, with no static or hissing. Available at gizmoguygadgets.com.